If you're looking for a highly educational market analysis, you're in the right place. This is the Transparent Effects Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight to the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about platinum. Now, why do I want to speak about platinum? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames, then dropping down on the lower ones. We will also check what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market, are doing. And by the end of the video, we're using a combination of these two different types of analysis. We will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on this commodity. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market has just tested a quite strong level of previous monthly resistance here and again resistance here, which the market has now broken to the upside. And at this point, this previous monthly resistance is now turned here support and demand. And what we expect is for the market to reject this previous resistance, turn support to the upside. So here on the monthly, everything seems quite bullish for more potential continuation. Dropping down on the weekly, what do we see? Now here on the weekly time frame, we can see how first of all the market did print this W formation. In general, after the creation of a W, you want to see the market go and complete the pattern at the previous resistance turn support and then provide a potential continuation. And in fact, we can see that that is exactly what the market did. First, we had the move to the downside and completion at the neckline, and now the market has started the continuation to the upside, trying to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. So also here in the weekly, everything seems quite bullish and we can expect more potential continuation. Dropping down the daily time frame, what do we see? Now here on the daily, we can see how the market has just broken above a quite strong level of previous daily resistance, which the market has now broken to the upside. And in general, when you have a break above previous resistance, that previous resistance becomes support. So what we can expect is a retest of that previous resistance turn support and then a potential rejection higher. Now, in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, you have to take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, we can see how the market has just created a quite strong structure, support, and demand area inside of here. In fact, we have the 0.32 and 50% Fibonacci retracements lining up exactly with this previous resistance turn support, creating very strong demand inside of here and the liquidity that we do expect this market to test and then potentially to reject higher. Now, I did speak about platinum a couple of days ago when the market was around this area. I made a full breakdown explaining all the reasons for which we expected a potential rejection higher. And now that the market has created that move, that is why we have to reevaluate this structure. And by the way, I will link in description that previous analysis so you can go and check it out for more free education. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders and we check the data for gold, the reason for which we check it for gold is that usually the commodities are correlating with what gold is showing. What we can see here is that the net positions on gold have been increasing. We went from 172 to now 213k net positions, with 33.7k longs added with the last report, reaching 313k longs and only 99k shorts, which means that overall gold is getting quite bullish, which should drive all the commodities to the upside. So if the market here will create a correction to this area, inside of here, how we will be approaching this potential longing opportunity with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we will have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, at that point, we could be adding platinum to our watch list. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we could be looking for a potential long. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. We are currently running a special promotion. And obviously in the mentorship program, first you learn all the rules of the strategies, then you also get a daily market breakdown every day showing you which pairs I'm looking for according to the rules of the strategies. And you also have the possibility to ask questions and get the answers every single day. So it's a very interesting program and complete program. The link is in the description. To find out more about the special promotion, go and check it out, and I will see you in it.